How to weave a chain link fence. You want to have this point like that, and you want to have this one the opposite. You grab this little tail and you just make a little bend up. It should hook and lead into the next picket for you. You want to start off like that and just grab this like this, and it will start to weave itself together like this. It should guide itself right into the next spot. So there you go. When you get to the top, just put your piece back in there where the knuckle is. Grab your pliers and secure it over. After you do your bottom, you put some tension on it and it should look like this.